So we have officially made it to May. I want to congratulate you and thank you for working so hard on your math work packets thus far. You will be completing the last 2 pages of your math work packet today. They should not take you too long. We're going to be talking about solid figures and polygon shapes. So let's go ahead and look at the second to last page of your math work packet, which is what you see here. And the directions say write the name of the solid figure that each object looks like. So here it gave you a few items that you could have around your house or that you have seen before in the real world. So let's go ahead and go over the figures. Up at the top we have a cube, sphere, cylinder, cone, pyramid, rectangular prism. So we're going to start. Let's just look at this paint can. What shape does this paint can look like? Yep, this paint can looks like a cylinder. Let's do one more. What does this tent look like? You got it. A pyramid. So go ahead and finish the rest of this page, filling in the shapes to the real world items. On the last page of your math work packet, I'm going to kind of be doing the same thing, except there's a few other solids and polygons that have been added to your word box. So there's not a picture to look at to compare this time. So let's go through a few of these together. So a cylinder, just put in parentheses. A cylinder looks like a can. Okay, octagon has 8 sides. Parallelogram has 4 sides. Rectangular prism we just talked about on the sheet before, so if you have a question about what a rectangular prism is, go back and look at your first sheet from today. A pentagon has 5 sides. A triangle has 3. A cube, again, go back and look at your previous page. Hexagon has 6 sides. A square has 4 sides. A sphere, again, go back and look at your other page if you have questions. A rectangle has 4 sides. And a trapezoid also has 4 sides. Okay, so let's go ahead and do maybe a couple of the more difficult ones. Let's look at numbers 7 and 8. Number 7 is a trapezoid. And number 8 is it's a long word. Miss Hurt's not even sure how to spell it. Here we go. Parallelogram? Yes. It's called a parallelogram because the lines here run parallel to each other. These two as well. So each one of these lines runs parallel to each other. Okay, so I've done 2 for you. You're not going to use every single one of the words in your word bank. But again, if you have questions, I've given you some tips up top, and there's also other shapes on the worksheet that you have just completed. So go ahead and finish numbers 1 through 6 and then numbers 9. And if you have any questions, please let me know.